You've heard my name whispered through centuries. A carpenter, a teacher, a king. But do you truly know my story? Let me share it with you. My journey began not in a palace, but in a humble manger in Bethlehem, under a brilliant star of hope. I grew up in Nazareth, learning the trade of a carpenter, but my true calling was revealed in the waters of the Jordan. As I was baptized, the heavens opened, and my path was set. Time to begin my Father's work. I walked among the people. I gave sight to the blind so they could see the beauty of creation. I calmed raging storms with a word to show that faith conquers fear. And with just a few loaves and fish, I fed thousands, a sign that love, when shared, multiplies. My message was simple.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Love one another as I have loved you. Take, eat. This is my body.
After a final meal with my friends, I faced my darkest hour. They hung me on a cross, believing it was the end. But it was not an end. It was a sacrifice, a new covenant of love. 3 days later, the tomb was found empty. Death could not hold me. I appeared to my followers, alive, to prove that hope is eternal and that love is stronger than any grave. This was the fulfillment of the promise. My story didn't end with my ascension into the clouds. It lives on right now in every act of kindness, every moment of forgiveness, every spark of faith in your heart. I am with you always. Live in love.